I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a fuel door actuator on an Audi A6. First, open your trunk and find the access panel located near the fuel filler neck. Gently pry off this panel to reveal the actuator. Once visible, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the existing actuator. This prepares the unit for removal. Now, with the electrical connector detached, use a small flathead screwdriver to carefully release any retaining clips holding the actuator in place. Once the clips are disengaged, gently pull the old fuel door actuator straight out of its mounting housing. Take a moment to inspect the area for any dirt or damage before proceeding with the new part. Next, take your new fuel door actuator and carefully insert it into the housing. Push it firmly until you hear or feel it click securely into place. Reconnect the electrical connector to the new actuator, ensuring it's seated properly. Before reattaching the access panel, test the fuel door's locking and unlocking mechanism to confirm it functions correctly. Finally, carefully reattach the access panel in the trunk, making sure it snaps back into its original position and fits snugly. Close the trunk and then perform several tests of the fuel door. Verify that it consistently locks and unlocks in conjunction with your vehicle's central locking system. This ensures your repair is complete and effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.